In which city do they have the smallest boobs? Manchester. You're welcome.
No joke.
Whoa! Whoa!
All right, furniture shopping. Here we go. Okay. I need a chair for in the baby's room for nursing her in the night or early in the mornings. Hey, look at this big round one. It'd be pretty comfortable. Yeah. That's way too big though. Imagine putting that in her bedroom.
Yes.
No, I don't want that. That's ugly.
It doesn't even back up.
No, I know. I'll see what there is. Hopefully something on clearance. We'll go to another store if there's nothing good. All right, found some couches. So we're getting these couches. 60% off, pretty good deal. So the couch and the love seat we're gonna get. And then check out the table. I gotta show you. We're gonna get this coffee table. I love it. It's so pretty, and I think the girls are going to love it. It's so sparkly and pretty. We're also getting this couch here. It's a clearance floor model, so it was like 500 bucks, and it's a recliner. And it's super comfortable. I'm excited. This one's gonna go in the basement, and the one I just showed you is gonna go in our upstairs living room with the coffee table, and this will just go in the basement where like our TV and stuff is. Now we're just leaving Walmart. Got ourselves a microwave. Not much has changed in the kitchen, but we got our microwave up here. Looks good, eh? I think I showed you. We unpacked some stuff here. Nice dishes. This is like a little coffee bar. I love that. Got it set up. Now I'm gonna get my cast iron out and I'm gonna make some breakfast. Do you want bacon, Sam? Need to re-season this pan. That was super yummy. I didn't want to video me eating it because it's kind of awkward eating a wrap. It's just super messy. But it was really good. Bacon and egg, a little bit of salsa. Good start to my day. It's nice having so much space in the kitchen because Sam's homeschooled. And this is usually where she does her homeschool, is like at our kitchen table. And part of homeschool is phys ed. So one of the programs we have is phys ed, and her and I do it together. So that's fun. So today we're doing a game where she cut up some numbers, put them in a hat, we're picking them out, and we're doing the exercise that the lesson tells us to do with the corresponding number. So I'll pick one now, and we'll give you an example. All right, one.
Yeah.
One.
It's a free one.
Free one? What's that mean?
Just like you don't have to do anything.
Oh, okay, I'll pick again then. Or would I be just pick?
No, you just wait till my turn.
Okay, let me pick again. 5.
Do 10 alternating lunge jumps.
Okay. Your turn.
6.
Did you write 10 under mine so we know I did it? Or? Anyway, now she's gonna write down hers and do it, so it's fun. Nice way to enjoy the deck early in the morning. Looking good. Birds chirping. It's a real nice sunny day, and we're gonna go back to the brick today and pick up that chair. They didn't have it ready for me last night. I need it in the baby's room, so we're just gonna pick that up, and then we're gonna have the couches probably delivered because I think they'll be a bit too heavy for Jeremy and I to carry in. I mean, Jeremy's fine, but for me to carry in. So we'll just get the lazy boy and have the couches delivered as soon as they can. Unless I get there and feel like they're not overly heavy. I guess I'll give it a try when we go there today, so we'll see. Let me give you a better tour here with the room set up. So here's the master bedroom. I'm still gonna unpack, like put clothes and stuff away. But here's the master. And then across from it is the 2 kids' rooms. So in here we have the baby's room. So I'm getting that lazy boy chair today, which I'll put maybe in this corner or over in that corner. There's our change table, nice closet. Got her stuff put away, somewhat. Back out. And then here's Sam's room. So we got her bunk beds built. I'm slowly organizing all her clothes and stuff. We got a nice big closet as well. Slowly getting her stuff unpacked. She loves horses. So this is her room. It's looking good though. Take you back to the, I think you saw the bathroom. Here's the bathroom with our shower curtain and stuff set up. And Sam had a bath last night with her Barbies. It's cool though. All right, so here's our upstairs living room. Just some blankets on the floor right now because we're sitting on it because there's no couch. So those nice couches and that fancy table, they're gonna go in this room. So one against this wall, then the coffee table there. And then the love seat will go over on this side of the room. All right, got my chair home for the nursery. Let's go see it. And it looks like they've taken over my nursing chair. He says, the first thing he says when he gets in it is, this would be good to watch TV in. I'm like, where? It's cozy though. This is gonna be so convenient to hold her and nurse her in the night when she gets up or before bed, putting her into her bed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is really comfy. The last couple nights I sat on the floor, so this will be better.
Yeah. What was that, a floor model?
It was the floor model. So we got it for like $400 or something. Great price.
Canadian, so about $100 American.
Yeah. Yeah, love it. It is. It's got yanked out. I think we got this one down, that ugly one. Well, yeah, you can take it down. Yeah.
That's the way you do it, and then you I'm gonna do the job.
Just a second, caught on these.
I will not be ignored, Dad.
Decorating time.
I think the baby's watching what you're doing. She was, yeah, she is now. What are you doing over there?
Got to get some groceries to fill the cupboards in the fridge. Peas are usually liked by everybody. Peas and what, broccoli?
Broccoli.
Yeah, I like peas. So peas are liked by me.
Somebody just woke up.
We just got back from a long walk, like probably an hour and a half. So supper is going to be so rewarding. I have a chicken cooking in the slow cooker and some potatoes, and I'll warm up some of those broccoli or peas that we bought at the grocery store earlier. And it's going to feel so good to sit down and eat. We are exhausted. Sam like already ran in the house probably to the couch because she's tired. All right, we're all done our supper and we went out and looked and what we got. We went and picked up this large pallet of wood. When we bought the house, they didn't leave us any wood. So I think they had used all of their wood that they had, which wasn't a lot. So it sucks because we just left like so many cords at our last place that we sold. And then we move in here and there's no wood left for us. So we had to go pick that up. But oh well, gives us something to do, I guess. Unload wood. We're good at that, moving wood, aren't we, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a rack that we brought from our last place. And we're going to stick it right here. So it's right by the door to go in.
You know, set like our smaller rack by the fire.
Yeah.
It's like the same system, smaller rack, this rack,
Yeah.
and then the woodshed.
Yep. It's going to be good. You guys probably remember that rack. We filled it a bunch of times. Filled it a bunch of times on the deck. So I brought that because I knew we would want it here.
It's nice and light. Yeah.
It is really light. I think I actually ordered that off Temu. shockingly. Something came from Temu that's not mini. Oh, you're saying that way.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying right against it.
No.
Wouldn't that make more sense? But I don't know.
No, because then you put the steps and just grab it.
Hmm.
Right here.
Yeah.
If you go, what do you mean there?
Yeah.
It'd be kind of tough.
Mama had to step in. I think that makes way more sense. No, pull it out though. Further, like you just had it. So it's matching. Matching with the railing.
You.
Okay,
Do it.
I will do it. Like this. Then you just come around the corner, grab your wood.
No, that has to be
Yeah.
flat to that, or it's gonna drive me nuts.
Here.
No,
Why?
just like in line in it.
Yeah. They
Like
went flat
this.
to the
It has
wall.
to be like perfect.
Okay.
In line like this.
Oh, okay. Not so.
It's off a little bit.
Yeah, right. What did you see the trim in our house? Remember? It was like ding, ding, zigzagged.
Well, we
Remember?
didn't do it.
No. Remember our first Mapleberry Farm, and it was what was it? The skirting? Or no, it was the siding, and we put it. We didn't cut it. And remember, because it was all like zigzag,
Oh, yeah.
and now you're being like, this has to be perfectly level.
Oh, it does. That's just how my brain is. I ended up cutting that wood though. It looked
You
way
can still
better
get
after
it.
we cut it.
Yeah.
Even the one you're talking about.
I know. Now we can still easily get to this, get the wood, we can get this. Everything's good. This is a perfect spot. And then you're not taking up a whole
I'm just
line
going to be
there.
reaching through here and trying to wrangle wood through this.
I can almost,
There's not almost.
I can
That's a
almost guarantee
guarantee I'll
that's
be
what
doing
you're
that.
gonna do.
I'll be sitting there. I could have walked up here and
just
went
grabbed
around and
it,
grabbed it, but I'm going to sit and Jenga it through this.
Yeah.
Like in, and then take this out.
Yeah. And then I'm going to hear cursing from while I'm
I'm
sitting
just going to
in there.
remove the whole rail and those bolts will be
Probably.
gone.
Probably.
It's just wood.
I know, probably.
Then you're going to walk down here and just get hit in the head with wood.
Yeah. Oh, gee. Anyway, we got a lot of wood to unload.